Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Google Analytics 4 conversion tracking setup. Full guide. To verify your Google Analytics 4 conversion tracking setup, start by logging into your Google Analytics account. Select the appropriate property for which you want to verify the conversion tracking. Navigate to the Events section under the Configure menu on the left-hand side. Locate the event that you want to track as a conversion. Check to ensure that the event is listed there. If the event is not visible, ensure that it has been triggered on your website. Next, click on the event name to access its details. In the event details, you will find an option to mark this event as a conversion. Toggle the setting to mark the event as a conversion. Wait for a few moments to allow the changes to propagate. Now, open a new tab and go to your Google Tag Manager account. Verify that the relevant tag is properly set up to fire the event on your site. Test the tag by using the preview mode in Google Tag Manager. Visit your website while the preview mode is active. Trigger the event that you want to track as a conversion. Return to the Google Tag Manager tab to see if the tag fired correctly. Next, go back to Google Analytics. Navigate to the Real-Time section in the left menu. Check if the event is showing up in real-time reports. This indicates that the event is being tracked successfully. To confirm data accuracy over time, allow at least 24 hours for data processing. Return to the Events section after this period to review the conversion data. Analyze the conversion reports to ensure that your setup is functioning as expected. If any discrepancies arise, recheck your setup in Google Tag Manager and the event configuration in Google Analytics. This process will help ensure that your conversion tracking is set up accurately and efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.